Eggshells are not just breakfast waste. They're nature's secret weapon for plant lovers. When crushed and sprinkled around plants, they provide a natural source of calcium, which is crucial for root development and overall plant health. Eggshells also deter little pests like slugs and snails. The eggshells act like a natural barrier because the little buggers just don't like the abrasive texture. And as they break down, they enrich the soil with natural nutrients and minerals. So I especially like using the crushed shells around my baby plants because they help with robust growth and really vibrant blooms. Plus, their calcium content helps prevent disease, like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. So I'll be adding this to the soil when I plant my new tomatoes this year. And if you have a dog, don't worry, eggshells are actually good for them. They're a great source of calcium, glucosamine, and chondroitin, which help support strong teeth, bones, and joints. My puppy is a Great Dane, and as you know, these little guys grow really fast, so they need the extra boost for their bones. We actually give him eggshells with his puppy food, and he's thriving. So basically, adding eggshells into your garden not only reduces waste, but it also nurtures healthier, more resilient plants, even for older